Hi, this is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Galeon 430 HTC. Starting out right here on the swim platform, it's hydraulic, so you can put a dinghy on it, or you can just lower it in the water for a nice cool-off. Nice stairs that allow you to walk right back into this level aft deck area. It's got an adjustable aft seat, gives you more room when you need it for the aft deck for entertaining. Let me walk you aboard and show you much more that this boat has to offer. Once aboard, you got a nice freshwater shower to hose off from when you were swimming, and coming from the nice L-shaped lounge area, you got a huge double slide door, so all the guests inside can conveniently communicate and see their guests outside, and you have a nice low step threshold so you don't have to step up to get into the salon. Once inside the salon, you'll notice the electrical panel for everything on the ship is located right at your entrance. So when you're boarding the boat, you can turn everything on. When you're leaving the boat, you can turn everything off. Easy to find, easy to use. It's got that seamless transfer from generator to shore power. So you don't have to worry about switching everything on and off before you transfer. It does it for you. In the salon, you have a beautiful U-shaped seating with a table that goes up and down, has a pad that goes on it, so you can put your feet up while watching the pop-up TV. Goes down when you're not using it, so you can take full advantage of all these windows and all this natural light that you get on this beautiful Galeon. Just a few steps up from the salon is this very comfortable and very convenient helm. The captain can be nice and comfortable in his own seat. The mate can sit next to him. Nice armrest for both of them. Very comfortable. This boat is powered by Volvo Penta inboards. Nice easy digital throttle shift, easy to shift. Bow thruster for easy parking. All your necessary rocker switches are within arm reach from the captain. The Volvo Penta digital gauge is easy to view, along with the Raymarine electronics, also very easy to view. Air conditioning vents, autopilot right here, trim tabs right next to the controls, and the visibility is amazing. You have nice port and starboard visibility, and the front windshield has no obstructions. Fully supported on the side, allows you complete visibility, and that's the engineering that Galeon puts into all their yachts. Just a few steps down from the salon and adjacent to the helm seat is this beautiful, fully equipped galley with everything you need for all your cooking for a week-long trip or a weekend trip. Nice teak and holly floors lead you right into the companionway where the staterooms are. From the companionway, you enter into the owner's stateroom, which is in the bow of the boat. You'll notice all the natural light, both port and starboard and above. Once inside the owner's cabin, the owners get to enjoy their own private ensuite with electric head and separate shower to keep the area dry while they're getting ready. Conveniently located right off the companionway between the staterooms is a guest. Located directly underneath the helm is a very nice and spacious second stateroom for the guests. The beds have a piece that goes in between them, so if you want to have the beds together, you can do that, or keep them separate the way they are here. From the aft deck, you have a lot of grab handles and a nice wide area to make your way to the bow, where there's a lot to offer for people to lay out and have fun. Thank you for taking the time today to walk through this beautiful Galeon 430 HTC. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you'd like more information on this boat or any of our boats that we have in inventory, contact me, Sean O'Haron, MarineMax Pompano Beach.